Hi and welcome to Cooking from Scratch. Today we're going to be making chicken, broccoli, and ziti. So to start, we need a little bit of olive oil in the pan, about 2 to 3 tablespoons worth, and we're going to heat the pan over medium-high heat, and then we're going to add 1 to 2 pounds of chicken breasts that have been sliced into strips. While your chicken are cooking, you're going to also add 1 teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper to season your meat. And we're going to cook the chicken until it's cooked fully through, and then we're going to add 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, and we're also going to add a cup of milk. I like to add it directly to the empty can of chicken soup just to get any remaining bits out of the can. And we're also going to add 1 cup of chicken broth and stir this into our sauce. Alright, so as the chicken and the sauce are cooking, you also want to cook 1 box of pasta, as well as 1 large crown, or 2 if you prefer, of broccoli. The broccoli should be fork tender, and the pasta should be a little less than al dente, because it will continue to cook once you add it to the sauce. Once your pasta and broccoli are done cooked, you can add these all to the pot with your chicken and sauce, and stir until combined, and just let it sit there for a couple minutes for the pasta to finish cooking. And here's the finished product: chicken, broccoli, and ziti. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.